I was asked a question the other day, RA Solutions, how do I extract specific data from hundreds of rows within a spreadsheet? And it got me thinking, actually, there are a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to show you both ways, which I know on how to do this. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a spreadsheet here from a survey that was sent out to colleagues, and what they've done is they've given me feedback on some training which I've done, and they've rated that feedback or that training session out of 10 here. You can see 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, what I could have done more of, what were the strengths. And what I want to do here in column C is put the ratings in. So I want to put the number 9, 8, 9, so on and so forth in here. That way I can analyze the data. The first way I'm going to do is show you the formula way. So this is possibly for my advanced learners, is use a formula. And the formula I'm going to use is, it can be considered quite complicated, but what I'm going to do is the formula is going to extract from the phrase out of 10 and see what the number before out of 10 is, because you can see from the feedback everybody has put out of 10, so and so out of 10. So that's the easiest way to do this formula. So I'm going to, in column C2 here, so what I'm going to do is put a formula in here. So I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to go here. This is the box where I'm going to type the formula. I'm going to actually paste the formula. I'm going to take you through the formula here. So this formula, so after I press enter, what's going to happen, it's going to find within this cell here, because it's referencing B2 here and here, it's going to locate exactly where the phrase out of 10 starts in the sentence. So this one depends where it starts. So it starts here, and then what it does, and it looks at the two characters immediately preceding that phrase, which will capture the numbers like 9 or 10 out of 10. And then what it will do, it will trim, so it will remove any accidental extra spaces, turning the space 9 here into a full number 9. Using this as an example, and then the value part, the big part here, the first part, it will convert that final extracted text into a real number, allowing you to use it for averages or charts later on, or do whatever you need to do. So that's essentially what the formula is doing. So once I've put the formula in here, I'll click on enter, and what it's done, it's added that formula all the way down. Because this is a table, it's just added the formula all the way down. But what you need to do is do some quality assurance just to check it's extracted the right number. So it's put a 9 in there because that was 9 out of 10. It's put an 8 in there, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, so on and so forth. So we know that works. So that's one way. Another way, if you're not that familiar with or happy with formulas, there is another way to do this. Let me just delete the values from there, so you're left with just this. And what I'm going to show you is another way called flash fill. So what you need to do, because Excel learns from what you're doing, or this flash fill feature will learn from what you are doing in terms of the repetitive nature, in terms of what you're inputting. I think this flash fill feature is really fantastic. So what you need to do first and foremost is click on the cell C2 here. And what you need to do is type in the first rating in there. So the first rating from the first cell here was 9. So you're typing in 9 in there. Then what you need to do is click on C3, because what you're trying to do, you're trying to get Excel to automatically recognize the pattern for you without needing any formulas. And the flash fill way is the easiest way to do this. So in C3 you do the same thing. So this one's 8 out of 10, you put in 8 in there, and if you want, you can put the next one in there. The next one was 9 out of 10. Now there's a few things you can do. Click on the empty cell there, C5. You can either hold down Ctrl and press E, or you can go to the data tab. Once that empty cell is highlighted, go to the data tab there, scroll across to to the data tools here and click on flash fill. So flash fill, and what you see very quickly, without the need of having to do any formulas, you can see Excel has learnt from the patterns you are using and populated using flash fill the ratings for you. So that's, for me, that's possibly the quickest way to do this. It may not be as accurate as the formula way, but it is a quick way. Let me just Ctrl Z on that one to go back to this point here. And the other way to do it is hold down Ctrl and press E. That's a shortcut for flash fill that will populate the rest of those values, meaning you've extracted the data. So if you want to then further on filter on the rating, so let's find out all the ones that rated 10. These ones rated my training session as 10 out of 10, but actually what I want really, if I clear my filter, I want those that rated me as 6, because I want to know what I need to do to improve. So again, flash fill is a really good way because it will instantly fill down the rest of the columns for me by extracting the correct number from my sentences in here. So that's just then an easy way for you, instead of manually having to go down and put in the values in or having to send out the questionnaire again, an easy way to either use a formula approach or the flash fill approach in extracting the data you need. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.